What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group, and today we got another video, man. Today, man, I've been having some issues with the Lincoln Town Car. It's been idling pretty high. So yeah, man, we about to go check that out, and we got the adapters for the rims. Dang, I got a lot of updates. Yeah, for the wheels, man, we got let me just show y'all. We got everything dismounted. It's a lot of corrosion on them, so I gotta get a wire brush and clean them up. But yeah, man, we got the adapters so they can go on the Lincoln Town Car, man. So this is gonna be the bigger holes is I think it's 5 by 114 .3, and then the adapter is 5 by 120. So converting that so we can fit the wheels. But let me show you guys what we got going on. Alright, man, we outside with it today. It's real gloomy out here in Maryland, man, because of the fall, man. So that's what we got. Use the gasket. Yeah, we gotta replace this, man. The idle control valve. So what it's doing is it's revving up high. And this is right here on the throttle body. It's not too bad to do. It's this little part right here. 2 bolts holding it, and the gasket right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap that out, and then I'm gonna start up the car and let y'all see if that made a difference or not. And we might, if we have time, we might test fit the rims and the adapters and see how much room we got inside the fender. I feel like they're gonna be sunken in underneath this fender liner, but we're gonna see. That's without the tire on there, so I'm pretty sure with the tire, if I get the right size, it should be straight, man. Yeah, it's tire size I'm gonna go with is 275. Hold on, walk out through the dark path. Yeah, it's gonna be like 275, 35, 22. That's what I'm gonna run on these with these wheels. And stay tuned for this too, man. I got a lot of parts for this thing. I got AC compressor, dry belt kit, front, upper, and lower control arms. So stay tuned for that, man. But let's get this part on here and see if this fixed the problem. Alright, first thing first, man, we gotta take off this connector, man. Oh, look at it pop off like that. Okay. Alright, I got that connector on. So now it's 2 8mm bolts. Well, there's another one. Shit. Alright, so we got 2 bolts we gotta take out here. The top one is loose, and make sure the bottom is loose. And this is the idle control air valve. The car was idling pretty high yesterday when I drove it, so we're gonna start with that. I don't know, there's so much work I need to do to this car. Still not done. Check the bottom one out first. Still got more threads on it. But yeah, man, I'll show y'all once we get it out, man. Alright guys, so we got it out. It does have a lot of oil on it. I don't know where's that oil from. This is the new one. I'm gonna clean off the old gasket. This one came with a gasket. A new gasket. Let's put it right here. I normally like just putting the bolts in to hold it in place like this. Alright guys, so we got the old gasket off. This thing is so worn out compared to this one. Jeez, look how flat it is. It's like so thin right here. So right now we about to install the new one on now. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, it's a tricky part. I know it's set up like this. Sit up. Just like this. Like that. Oh. Shit. Jeez. Let me get this top bolt in first. Alright. I'll just show y'all it when it. Alright guys, so we got the new one swapped in. It's the old one, probably the factory one. All mounted in right here. Come on this side. We're about to just start it up, man. See if it, cause I don't have no OBD connector to erase the code. This is OBD 1, so I don't have a scanner for this, and it didn't even have a code. It was just idling high.
Beat your idle. Okay. Did I turn it on?
See if it idle down. It's like still idling pretty high, but I just turned it on. We'll get some top voltage drop. Turn it off, turn it back on.
Did you hear that? It was like.
That was way too high before. It was like at $2 grand. This is probably like at 800 or 1,000. It's working. That's that. It's on the face. It's called an idle control valve. So it keeps the RPMs low when you're idling. And when you're driving, it allows it to, you know, peak up. But yeah, man, that was just a quick video, man. I do want to test fit these wheels, these adapters and these rims on, but it looks like it might rain. So I'll probably say that for another video, man. But alright, man, I'll see you on the next vlog. Peace.